In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Zapier to Pandadoc. If you are trying to connect two tools so they can work together automatically, this is a great place to start. Zapier acts like the connector, and Pandadoc is where your documents and signatures come to life. The goal of this tutorial is simple. You will access the right area in Pandadoc, locate Zapier, and then follow the on-screen prompts to link your Zapier account. First, click Extensions. You will usually see this option in the main navigation area of your Pandadoc workspace. Taking this step is important because Extensions is where Pandadoc lists services and add-ons that can integrate with your account. When you click Extensions, give it a moment to load. Look for a section or page that includes different integration options. This is the area where you will be able to connect external tools safely and correctly. Next, click Integrations. On the Extensions page, Integrations is typically a tab or a related section. This step matters because it narrows down what you can connect and where you can configure it. Once you select Integrations, you should see a list of available platforms. Take a quick scan so you know you are in the correct directory. The screen should show integration providers, and one of them will be Zapier. After that, find Zapier. You can usually search within the integrations list, especially if there are many options. If there is a search bar, type Zapier to jump directly to the correct entry. If there is not a search bar, slowly scroll through the list and look for the Zapier logo or the word Zapier. This step is the key transition from browsing to actually starting the connection process. So make sure you select the Zapier integration and not a different automation tool. Then click Connect. This button is usually located near the Zapier integration entry. When you click Connect, you are telling Pandadoc that you want to link your account with Zapier. At this point, the system will typically prepare a connection flow or open a prompt. If the interface asks you to confirm you want to proceed, review the message briefly and then continue. The connection flow is designed to guide you through authorization in a controlled way. Now follow the prompts to connect your Zapier account. The prompts may appear in a pop-up window or a new page, depending on your browser settings. Follow each step carefully and make sure you are authorizing the correct Zapier account. The prompts usually involve confirming access permissions and completing an authorization step so Zapier can communicate with Pandadoc. If you are asked to sign in, use the account that you intend to use for your automations. If a confirmation screen appears, you will want to verify that the connection has been accepted. As you go through the prompts, keep an eye out for completion messages or success indicators. Many times you will see a note that the connection is established, or you might be returned to the integrations page with a status change. If you return to the integrations list, look for Zapier to show as connected or enabled. This is a good sign that the linking process finished properly. Once you confirm that Zapier is connected, you are ready to create your workflows. The connection itself is what makes automation possible, because it allows Zapier to read and send information to and from Pandadoc. If anything does not seem to have connected, simply revisit the Connect option and run through the prompts again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.